Do you ever feel very nervous when something bad happens? Your heart beats fast, your hands feel cold, and your mind feels empty.
Many people feel this way in an emergency. A car stops suddenly, someone falls down, or you hear a loud noise.
And for English learners, it can feel worse. You want to speak, but you don't know what to say.
Today's podcast is for you. We will talk about how to stay calm in an emergency with simple English and simple steps.
You can listen, you can repeat, and you can feel more confident.
Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our English podcast.
This podcast is for English learners, beginner and lower intermediate level.
We speak slowly, we use easy words, and we talk like real people.
Today's topic is very important: how to stay calm in an emergency.
Not big emergencies only, small ones too.
Like at home, at work, on the street.
Anna, let me ask you something. What is an emergency?
An emergency is a sudden problem. It happens fast, and we feel scared.
Yes, something unexpected.
For example, someone faints. There is a small fire. You get lost.
Your body reacts fast. Your heart beats fast.
Your breathing becomes short. That means fast and not deep.
This is normal. It happens to everyone.
Mike, why do people panic?
Good question. We panic because our brain feels danger.
The brain says, "Oh no, something is wrong."
So the body gets ready to run or fight.
But in many emergencies, we need to think, not run.
That's why staying calm is important.
Let's talk about the first step: stop and breathe.
This is very important. Let's say it slowly.
Both. Slow. Stop and breathe. When something bad happens, stop moving.
Put your feet on the ground.
Take a slow breath in through your nose.
1, 2, 3.
Now breathe out through your mouth.
1, 2, 3.
This helps your body relax.
It tells your brain, I am okay.
Let me tell you a short story.
Okay?
One day, I was in a supermarket. Suddenly, a man fell down.
Oh, wow.
People stopped. Some people shouted.
What did you do?
At first, I felt scared. My hands were shaking.
That's normal.
But then I stopped. I took one deep breath.
Stop and breathe.
Yes. Then I asked, "Are you okay?"
Simple sentence. Very useful.
Let's practice this sentence.
Are you okay?
Anna, slow. Are you okay?
This sentence is short, easy, and very helpful.
You don't need perfect English. You need clear English.
After breathing, what's next?
Look around.
Yes, use your eyes.
Ask yourself simple questions.
Like, what is happening?
Is anyone hurt?
Is it safe here?
You don't need many words, just simple thoughts.
I have a story too.
Let's hear it.
I was in a new city. My phone battery died.
Oh no.
I was lost. I felt nervous.
What did you do?
First, I stopped walking. Then I breathed slowly.
Good.
Then I looked around. I saw a cafe.
That's smart.
I went inside and asked for help.
What did you say?
I said, "Excuse me, I need help."
Let's repeat together. Slow. Excuse me. I need help.
Very simple, very powerful.
Many people think I must do everything alone.
But asking for help is okay.
Yes, in emergencies, help is important.
You can ask people near you.
You can call emergency numbers.
In the US, it's 911.
You don't need long sentences.
You can say, "There is a problem."
One more story.
Okay.
My friend was cooking. Smoke came from the kitchen.
Scary.
She wanted to scream, but she stopped.
Good choice.
She turned off the stove, she opened the window, then she called for help.
Calm actions help.
Let's learn one more phrase.
Please help me.
Anna, slow. Please, help me.
You can say it loudly. You can say it clearly.
Mike, can we make this easy?
Yes, 3 simple steps.
Step 1.
Stop and breathe.
Step 2.
Look around.
Step 3.
Ask for help.
Let's say it together. Slow. Stop and breathe. Look around. Ask for help.
Now let's practice.
Imagine a small emergency.
Your bus is late. You feel nervous.
What do you do first?
Stop and breathe.
Good. Then?
Look around.
Yes. And then?
Ask for help. Remember, you don't need perfect English.
You need clear English.
Short sentences are okay.
Clear words are enough.
Your voice matters.
Before we finish, Mike, can we practice more real situations?
Yes, of course. Practice helps us remember.
Imagine this. You see a small car accident.
Okay.
2 cars stop. People look worried.
What should we do first?
First, stop and breathe.
Yes, always first.
Then, look around. Is anyone hurt?
Good question.
Then, ask, are you okay?
Let's repeat that. Slow. Are you okay?
Very good.
Now my turn.
Okay.
You are at work. Your coworker feels dizzy.
Dizzy means head feels light, body feels weak.
Yes, good explanation.
I walk to them. I speak slowly.
What do you say?
I ask, do you need help?
Simple and kind.
Then I call someone, maybe a manager, maybe a doctor. Let's practice 3 sentences again.
Okay.
Number 1, both. Are you okay?
Number 2.
I need help.
Number 3.
Please help me.
Say them slowly. Again.
Are you okay? I need help. Please help me.
Anna, in emergencies, people feel many emotions.
Yes, scared, nervous, confused.
Confused means you don't know what to do.
Exactly.
It's okay to feel this way.
But breathing helps.
And simple English helps.
I remember one English learner.
What happened?
She saw a child crying in a park.
Oh,
She felt nervous. She didn't know what to say in English.
that happens a lot.
But she remembered one sentence.
Which one?
Are you okay?
Perfect.
The child nodded, then the mother came.
So even simple English helps.
Yes, you don't need big words.
Here's a tip.
Tell us.
Practice emergency phrases at home
In front of a mirror.
or with a friend
Repeat again and again.
so your brain remembers.
Let's do slow training.
Listen and repeat.
Anna, very slow. Stay calm.
Stay calm.
Take a deep breath.
Take a deep breath.
Look around.
Look around.
Ask for help.
Ask for help.
Emergencies are scary, but you are stronger than you think.
And your English is enough.
Simple English can save time.
Simple English can help people.
And simple English can save lives.
That's the end of today's podcast.
Thank you for listening.
Please listen again.
Repeat the phrases.
Practice out loud.
And if you like this podcast, leave a comment.
Tell us where you're listening from.
See you next time.
Bye-bye. Stay calm.